It is a cold December morning in the township of South Gujarat. All roads lead to a single destination, to a camp that has been erected in this quiet and peaceful location. The travelers have only one thing in common. They have all been disabled with the loss of their limbs. Young, old, mostly poor, and full of despair. It all began in the winter of 1989. A spirited young lady took it upon herself to make a difference. A difference to those on whom fate had played a cruel joke, who had lost their limbs by accident, deformity, or disease.
How it started and why it started, these are some questions which are magical because they belong to the realm of the unknown. I've never really been able to figure out how it all happened, but there was a sense of churning within me at that time. I just knew only one thing, that it's possible that a man or a person who's handicapped, who doesn't have a leg, can be fitted with an artificial limb, and a limb can be made for him and his life would get transformed. That was due to a visit when I was about 13 years old to Jaipur, where I had actually seen it happening. But that was the extent of my knowledge. I was completely naive about it. When we did a survey, we found 20 such people who were actually not having limbs. I said, we'll do it for 20 people then. That's how it all started. At that point, something happened. Something just magical happened during the first camp, and I knew that this was it and this was what was meant to be. That's how it all started, and then it just grew from then onwards.
It was bad enough that their existence had meant a life full of hardships and hand-to-mouth living. It was worse that they should be a burden to their already impoverished families. The future was bleak, filled with hopelessness, insecurity, and a feeling of rejection. In such a grim scenario, a helping hand was more than welcome.
I had just attended a function and was headed home when I met with a tragic accident that took away my leg. The trauma led me to a long period of depression. All hope was lost, and I made my way to the railway tracks to put an end to my misery. It was there that I met a stranger who persuaded me to change my mind. He said, "Commit suicide tomorrow, but today visit the camp." Well, I came here. I met Abhilasha Ben, a woman who motivated me to give life another chance.
But there is a specialness about this camp, and that specialness comes from the emotional bonding which you can only feel and experience if you're here with us. There is a sense of a family. Everybody belongs to everybody else, and that is a very special aspect of this camp.
Each limb is crafted at the site itself, carefully measured and customized to suit the stump of each patient. Patients that are barely 1 year old to those that are 90 years of age. The success of the initial venture encouraged this committed team to repeat the exercise the very next December. Today, it has become an annual ritual and gets bigger and better. Besides providing free artificial limbs, the Trust also arranges for free lodging and boarding for the patient and his companion. The patient is taught how to walk with artificial limbs until he is completely mobile and independent of crutches.
We cater to almost 1,000 patients in every camp. And when I say 1,000 patients, there is one patient, a companion or companions as the case may be. For example, if there's a mother who has 2 children and has lost a leg, then all of them would be with us. Their food, boarding, lodging, accommodation, everything from the time they come here till the time they leave is all free of cost, till the time they're independent of crutches and go back home.
Each year, the number of patients attending the camp increase. We are a total of 5 to 6 full-time volunteers. In addition, many others come to help, including ex-patients who were treated here. The entire camp is like a celebration that transports us to another world. The mental satisfaction and happiness we get during these 10 to 15 days makes us forget what's going on in the rest of the world.
Volunteers work tirelessly through the 2-week period. Their only compensation is the sense of well-being and fulfillment that comes with making a difference to the lives of their less fortunate fellow human beings. Because of the strong emotional bonding, this is the only camp where patients from prior camps volunteer to motivate new patients to walk and live a fresh life.